Hey guys, today I want to tell you all about my love story. My love story umbrella, that is. Check it out. So this is what came. Really simple construction, which is awesome. You can't mess this up, but I'll show it to you just in case. One pull and the umbrella, and they just are going to hook right in. It does not come with the base, but that's kind of the purpose of this design, is to go inside your table like this. So you put your one in, and you see it's just got the little, whatever that thingamajigger's called. You line that up with the hole, and you just pop it in. Voila! There you go. So what I really like about this one is that it's a crank. So which way do I have it turned here? There we go. So I'll show you. You crank it up to get up, and I feel like that's just a lot more sturdy than the kind that you have to push up. And yeah, so I really like that it's a crank. I really like these ribs. There's what, 6 of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so they're a little more sturdy than just like the wire thing, right? So these are, it's pretty sturdy. That's what I really like about it. One additional feature about this love story umbrella is right here. You can see this is a button right here, and when you push it, magical things happen. You can turn it. So sun's over there, turn it, block that way. Now you can just rotate the whole thing, but just because we're cool, we'll let it go both ways. So yeah, this is my love story umbrella.